Hello everyone! Nasa A&G Convention Hall kami ngayon guys sa Cabadbaran City dahil dito ang venue ng mga graduates from Magallanes National High School. Syempre with the parents and guardians. Pinapasok muna kami guys sa loob for final rehearsal in marching with the graduates and the parents. So maya guys, palabas na rin kami guys.
Okay naman nga na, basta na walay mo lambay. Ay, yay, tana. Sus, ginoo ko ni mo doy. Kuha na siya.
At pinalabas na kaming lahat guys para mag-ready na dahil in 20 minutes mag-umpisa na ang ceremony. So, keep on watching guys!
Dapat sa gawas. Ilang siguro. Yung video ta kay. Ano dili ba? Sa sulod dili nam kay ngani doy. Diri rata. Ha?
Pag video may samo, video po mo inyo ma. Pag vlog ni kamo.
Api lamin. Hi guys. Ano ma? Guys.
At tapos na rin ang marching. Kaso lang, hindi namin nakuhanan ng video kasi walang taga-video. Pero mayroon daw sa mga teachers. So doon na lang kami maghingi para may souvenir naman sa marching.
Education Committee Chair, Honorable Martina A. Castrodes, to the Barangay Captain of Santo Niño, Honorable Alan C. Anunciado, Schools Division Superintendent, Mrs. Gina L. Matibo, PhD CSO5, ably represented by School Governance and Operations Division Chief, Mrs. Glorina L. Ciclon, Division Accountant, Mr. Joselito C. Pabatang, Public Schools District Supervisor, Mrs. Gina M. Magayas, ADD, SPTA President, Engineer Jacob Parre.
To the authorized representative of the Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Gina L. Matibo, Mrs. Glorina L. Ciclon, our Executive Chief. To the Magallanes Public District Supervisor, Gina S. Magayas, and represented by Sir Bernie Pamplona, the School Head of Yasa National High School, Magallanes Annex. As the school principal of Magallanes National High School, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of the senior high school, of which 201 are from the academic track and 154 from the technical vocational livelihood track. From the academic track, for accountancy, business and management, 11 male to 24 female. For the general academic strand, 40 male, 32 female. And for shielded metal art welding, 29 male, 1 female. A total of 355 candidates for graduation. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation in senior high school prescribed for rights representative of the Magallanes Public Schools District Supervisor. Sir, they are now ready for your recommendation for confirmation.
Clarence Dave D. Bada with high honors. conferment statement, the Senate Gold Medal for Academic Excellence is conferred to. This medal
Ano na to yan?
Macy G. Vasquez with high honors.
Amo ba na siya? Di ba na mauna eh?
Jamaica R.
Kaya pagpinto gano'n.
Jasmine K. Arumapni with honors. Gabriel A. Caballo with honors. Awardee in work.
Tindo gani, kita na tayo.
Lauren Jean B. Mirrors with honors.
Dala na tayo na? Ilan na itong videohan na ni? Kita mo ah. Video lang ta sa ilan.
Jenny Rose B. Moreno with honors. Awardee in work immersion. John Manuel D. Radley with honors. Mary Graces Joy P. Tabata with honors.
Wala naman.
Marlon J. A. Escobedo.
Ato araw, Mark Escobedo nini oh. Ah, may panini nga videohan ako. Ako agad.
Lawrence Ivan B. Estubo.
Nakabalik siya, nakabalik. Ano ba? Ano makita ng naong?
Education Supervisor in NPP, TLE, and TVL, and Senior High School, focal person of Agusan del Norte, Grace Ando. Agusan del Norte Division Accountant, Joselito Pabata.
Klaro, nalindogol sila.
You may now take your seat. Thank you so much, Ma'am Esther, for the generous and warm introduction.
Ay, mo din na siya.
Dr. J.L. Mativo, 605, School Division Superintendent.
Yan, dun.
Miss Glorina L. Siclon, SGOD Chief. Miss Grace A. Ando, Education Program Supervisor in EPP TLE TVL. Mr. Joselito Pabatang, Division Accountant.
In grateful recognition to all that my alma mater has done for me. And in deep consciousness of my responsibilities. I hereby pledge to her. My loyalty and promise. To live according to her ideals. May no word or deed of mine ever tarnish her honor. May my life one of service to our people. May the wisdom and strength that I have gained
Asa na mo ba yun? Ay, dyan!
Magkano may sudan?